In this video lesson, you'll discover the contrast of hue and its implementation in watercolor painting.
Just to remind you that hue is defined as the basic or source color, like red, orange, yellow, blue, green, and violet, without taking into account its lightness or saturation. In other words, without considering a color's purity. The primary triad, yellow, red, blue, has the strongest difference between hues, while the contrast of secondary hues is weaker, and even weaker so for the contrast of tertiary hues. To demonstrate to you contrast of hue in action, I will do a simple exercise by filling in squares with different colors. The colors here are as different from one another as they can be. That is why you will find such a contrast in children's artworks and folk art, which are very often bright and colorful.